What's up guys? We're here at Zuidplein. I'm off today. My friend is here. We're gonna do some fun stuff, and by fun I mean eating, of course, and shop a little, just get some basic necessities. So I don't know if some of you guys know, but I've been on this health journey, and it's been going good. KFC chicken, heaven, like, and the fries, all that starch, so difficult. I don't know how you guys do it. I'm probably doing something wrong. Anyways, I'm enjoying life, and I'm gonna enjoy this now. So see you guys. Our quick lunch. Very unhealthy. By the way, for those that doesn't know, KFC has something called a snack box. Fain, since you're a KFC addict, would you like to tell the people what the options are at KFC?
Well, you have options of hot wings, which is my favorite. You have chicken strips, which is also good, and I think you can have one piece of chicken.
And it's cheap and it's filling. Like, imagine €5 and you have 2 snack boxes, which is booming. Check it out. Thank me after this video. You're probably going to KFC right now, right? Anyways, I have to focus now.
I'm shopping!
Bye. But first, dessert. So, we spent 3 hours in Primark. We're not going to disclose the amount we spent in there. When you go in for one thing, you come out with 5. When you go for yourself, you end up buying for your husband and your daughter and your mother, father, sister, brother. I don't know about Fain.
I do that also, but when it's me, it's me.
So we're now in Rotterdam, and we're going to the Markthal. So after food comes shopping, then food again.
And then shopping again.
And then shopping again, yeah. That's what a day off feels like, should feel like actually. When I want to get away from everything, I just come here. A lot of goodies and stuff. Yes, bubble tea and oriental and this fish place that we really like. Oh, all the sweets. Markthal, by the way, is at Metro stop or train stop Black. B-L-A-A-K. So whoever never came here needs to come here ASAP. Enjoy the ambiance and the food, of course. So this is Andalus fish, and they have some booming fish soup. They have some booming calamari, jumbo shrimps, fish eggs, you name it. Everything, like everything. I don't even know what I'm gonna get just now, but so not only does this place have good fish stuff, it even has a terrace above it where you can sit down and just enjoy the view, man. Oh, that's reserved. Hello. A nice fish soup. It's just full of everything that's seafood. With bread. It was $3.50. And Fain have a nice piece of grilled salmon, some big jumbo shrimps and calamari with a sauce and some salad, and oh, it's so good. Guys, the stuff I use sometimes when I'm cooking, I like to buy here. This is my favorite spot. If you put me in here, I'll stay here for an hour. They sell everything. And right now I even feel like buying crab, so I can make some curry crab, some exotic veggies, some delicious sauces, and some nice croupcooks and chips and whatnot. Also stuff that you can't usually find in the other supermarkets. A lot of things from abroad. Favorite place. Guys thought we were done. No, this is part 2. Sadly the last part though. We like the road too much. But you know, the usual food and shopping. That's what we're gonna do. So what we couldn't get yesterday, we're gonna get today. And then we're gonna eat. But I'm not gonna tell you what we're gonna eat. You guys probably know it. Yes. So, see. So we're here at Burst again. Bought some makeup and are going to Decathlon because after yesterday's KFC, we need to work it out. So we're gonna get some sports gear, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's still lights in the tree, and I'm not sure if it's for the decor or they just got lazy to take them out.
I think it's decor.
Oh, okay. Well then,
Like the end.
it's beautiful though. I like it a lot. How beautiful is this? I think this is for Valentine's Day. So nice, so pretty.